Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add gray hair in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where you can get started with accessing your photos, either using the camera roll option right here at the bottom of the screen or using the photo gallery. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and get started with opening it up. So you can go ahead and tap on the image right here to go ahead and get started with editing it, and it's going to open it up in this editor mode from where you can get started with accessing filters. So basically, let's go ahead and take a look at how to add gray hair. In this edit mode right here, you're going to scroll a bit to the right to find the hairstyles and hair colors options. You want to click on hair colors. This is going to enable us to get started trying out different hair colors, and this is where we can find the gray hair color. So you can see once you scroll to the right, you can go ahead and find similar colors such to gray, and you have the colored option where you can go ahead and select what color you want. But as you can see, there are multiple pro feature, only one, so keep in mind you're going to need a pro subscription for them. You can only try out the blonde and black right here and see how you like them and how they work, and if you're satisfied you can upgrade to the next plan and go ahead and lock in more hair colors. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.